Are you curious if you could use Excel for data analysis? Excel, Microsoft Excel you have on your laptop, yes, could do magic, could even earn you six figure if you actually know how to use it rightly. First of all, welcome to my cyberspace. Now let's get right into it. The thing you're probably worried about is, oh, what is Excel? I usually just use it to input my finances, and I don't think that tool could do so many things. You are sleeping on a very great tool. Excel is like that OG that has been there since ages. We've had Python, we've had SQL, we had so many things, and Excel is just there chilling. And interestingly, right, I think the earliest date you could put in Excel is like 1900 or something, and 1900 or so. But like, it's so weird that Excel doesn't really make a lot of upgrade or change, but people still use it. Like, especially like organizations that like maybe they are not necessarily advanced to they're not necessarily like prone to making changes to stuff, because that's what they started with. And just because the way Excel is built, it's simple. It's also owned by Microsoft, that when you purchase Microsoft like package or suite, you get to also you have Excel, right? When you have Microsoft Word, it comes with Excel. It's one of the great tools out there that you could use to run a lot of analysis. And even though you know how to use like more complicated tools, the goal a lot of times is to use a tool that will get it faster and easier. So sometimes Excel is just that tool that I want to quickly get a sum, I quickly want to do like a bar chart or a pie chart, I have the data in a flat file, it saves it format, go use Excel. There's no point in trying to like pull up the data from SQL or pull the data from this or write some command line, something I just want to do like one time. But much more than doing something for one time, Excel is that platform that you can excel with, right? You could use it and make a lot of money, and you could even automate some of the process in Excel. In this series, I'm going to be talking about how to use Excel as a data analyst, as a data scientist. Stay tuned and watch the subsequent videos. If this video was a value for time, do want to subscribe, like, follow, and share. Thank you. Ciao.